Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X3 gas tank. First, locate the fuel filler door on the right rear side of your vehicle. Make sure your BMW X3 is unlocked, as the fuel door is part of the central locking system. Once unlocked, simply press gently on the edge of the fuel filler door, and it should pop open, revealing the fuel cap. With the fuel filler door open, you will now see the fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. Once it's free, you can either place it in the designated holder, often found on the inside of the fuel door, or rest it carefully on the door itself while you refuel. Now you can insert the fuel nozzle and begin refueling your BMW X3. Once you've finished, carefully remove the nozzle. To secure the tank, replace the fuel cap and turn it clockwise until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's properly sealed. Finally, gently push the fuel filler door closed until it latches securely. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your BMW X3 is fully unlocked. Sometimes a quick lock and unlock cycle helps. If the door is frozen in cold weather, a gentle tap or a small amount of warm water can help free it. Remember to always use the correct fuel type for your vehicle. Also, for other great deals, and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.